Coming in, no relief for actor Vijay. His movie Jana Nayagan remains in cold storage as the Madras High Court has now reserved its order when it comes to the release of the movie. So no legal relief coming in for Vijay's team when it comes to the relief of Jana Nayagan, as the order has been reserved and the entire legal tussle over the release of this movie continues. But looking at the hearings which were taking place, the KVN production team has made it extremely clear. How can a minority govern when a majority of 4 out of the 5 members of the examining committee of the CBFC had no problem with issuing a UA 16+ certificate for the move? But at the same time, the Chief Justice asked how can producers announce the release date without a censor certificate in hand. So Jana Nayagan remains in a legal limbo. No relief for Vijay when it comes to this highly anticipated Pongal release. At the same time, the Madras High Court has now reserved its order, so no relief for Vijay. I'm joined by my colleague Purnima Murali on the broadcast. So Purnima, the much expected relief that that Vijay's team was hoping for from the Madras High Court, that has been denied to the actor.
Well, the Madras High Court has reserved its orders on a writ petition that was filed by the CBFC. Both sides presented their side of the arguments. The Chief Justice, in fact, said that how can a commercial movie release the date even before having the censor certificate in hand? The producers, however, had argued before the court that they were waiting. They were informed on the 22nd of December that after the cuts were made, they will be getting the censor certificate. And they had time and again approached the CBFC regional office, but they were not given a date. And 4 of the 5 people were okay with the issuance of the certificate. So only one, so minority alone does not count. So these were the arguments put forth by the council representing the Jana Nayagan makers. However, the CBFC, while presenting their side of the argument, said they were not given enough time to argue the case, and the single judge had passed an order even without hearing their side. It was done in a hush-hush manner, so they were not able to present their side of the arguments, and said that they had to wait. And why did they even inform the release date even before it was before they got the censor certificate in hand? So right now the case has been reserved. No relief yet for the Jana Nayagan makers, and fans are quite disappointed. But we'll now have to wait for the orders and then decide, and then the makers will plan their next course of action.
Right, so the wait continues for actor Vijay, but Purnima, at the same time, the fact that the Chief Justice has made this observation, how can producers announce the release date without the censor certificate in hand? Now, despite the points that have been raised by KVN Productions, where they have said that the CBFC is not being very transparent when it comes to the process of certification, this move by the producers to announce the release date without the certification, this seems to have put the entire movie's release in jeopardy.
Absolutely. In fact, they were planning the release of the movie during the Pongal festival, which is a 10-day-long festival. It started from Thursday and it went on till the next weekend. That was a plan, and the question that was put forth was, even before the censor certificate was issued, why the hurry to announce the release date, especially for a commercial movie like this? And that was also said by the Chief Justice while hearing the case, saying, can a movie announce the release date even before getting the censor certificate? And the council representing the production company had said that the movie cannot get released till the certificate is issued. So these were also observed by the Madras High Court, but the orders for now, they've been reserved. But no relief yet for Jana Nayagan, and it's going to be a long legal battle for the makers before the movie is all set to release.
Right. Thank you, Purnima, for joining us on the broadcast. So the wait continues for actor Vijay when it comes to this much-awaited release of Jana Nayagan, with the Madras High Court now reserving its order.